For a car going from 400 km to 500 km per hour takes almost the same energy as going from 0 to 400. That's because once you're past 400, you're no longer fighting the road, you're fighting the air. Air resistant density feels like very thick jelly. So how did BYD Yangwang U9 Extreme do something that sounds physically impossible? Especially where other cars cost multi-millions, Yangwang is costing around only 300k. Power required at 400 km per hour is 505 kilowatts and power required at 500 km hour is 980 kilowatts. That's about as much as a megawatt. To increase about 25% speed, you need double the energy. So 475 kilowatts are required only for the jump from 400 km per hour to 500 km per hour. U9 Xtreme makes 3000 PS. PS is just horsepower in a different unit. 3000 PS is 2960 horsepower. Horsepower is essentially ability to pick 250 kilograms 1 foot in 1 second. This much power is not for acceleration, it's for pushing through air at extreme speed. Without this kind of power, 496 km per hour is simply impossible. Speed is not just about power, it's also about how fast your wheel can spin. A normal car engine spins at about 6000 rpm. Most EV motors spin at 50,000 rpm. The U9 Extreme's motor spin at 30,000 rpm. That's about 500 rotations per second. Power is useless if the battery can't deliver it fast enough. BYD's batteries can discharge at 30C. That's the level of energy dump that is happening here. Most EVs simply cannot do this. To move massive power, you need high pressure. Electric pressure is called voltage. Most EVs use 400 or 800 volts. The U9 Extreme uses 1200 volts. This can only be made possible by using many less volts battery collectively, increasing overall volt number. Think of it like electricity flowing through a fire hose instead of straw. At nearly 500 km per hour, even tiny instability can be fatal. The U9 Extreme uses 4 motors, one for each wheel. This allows the car to correct itself thousands of times per second. Active suspension, special high-speed tires, and ultra-low ride height keep the car planted. This was not normal road run. This was done on specialized high-speed test track. The speed was touched briefly, not sustained forever. It was real, it was measured, and it was achieved by a production car.